Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Today we're making barbacoa beef brisket using the wood fired oven, some cast iron and a lovely cut of beef brisket. We've got all our ingredients laid out on the table here. We're going to be using this cast iron pot. So first in is one large chopped white onion, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of ancho chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Just going to combine all these flavours together. Now we've got our beef brisket. All I've done is just cut some of the excess fat off, the hard fat off the top. This is ready to go into our pot. Be a bit of a tight fit, but we'll get it in there. I'm just going to spread some of this onion, garlic and herb mix on the top of the beef, so it's seasoned top and bottom now. To this now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to go in with some stock. This is about 2 cups of beef stock. So we're going to pop the lid on and we're going to get it in the wood fired oven. This takes about 8 hours to cook. For the last half hour we're going to remove the lid and we're going to put a bit of a bark on this beef brisket. So since starting this video about 8 hours ago, we've had a little bit of a change in the weather. We've had some snow. But we've carried on with the cook and now we're ready. So we're going to get this out and we're going to see what it looks like. So we're just going to set it down here on our snow covered table and the smells are amazing. So we're just going to garnish this with some chopped parsley and some sliced red chillies. The liquid is reduced down to a nice sticky sauce in the bottom. The beef has got a nice crunchy bark on the top. And it just pulls away in strands. Moist, succulent barbacoa beef brisket. Time for the taste test. Crispy outside. That is good, and in this cold the heat of the chilies in this is just enough, and just in time it starts to snow. Don't forget folks to screenshot the ingredients and save it to your cooking library.